Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the Touring Experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and it's an honor to be your Spanish teacher. Is it true that in Spanish you only need to add an ese to a noun to make it plural? In this lesson we'll cover a quick review of artículos definidos e indefinidos, the easiest way to tell a noun's gender and number, the plural of nouns ending in una vocal, una consonante, z, nouns that already have an ese in their singular form. Vamos. El, la, los, las, un, una, unos, unas. If a noun ends in a vowel, just add ese to make it plural. El desayuno, los desayunos, la montaña, las montañas. When a noun ends in a consonant, add es, es, to make it plural. Un reloj, unos relojes, una ciudad, unas ciudades. If a noun stress is on the last syllable, it will drop its accent mark in the plural form. Un volcán, unos volcanes, una región, unas regiones. El pez, los peces, la voz, las voces. When a noun already ends in ese, like all weekdays in Spanish, you only need to change the article to plural. El martes, los martes. El abrelatas, los abrelatas. La tesis, las tesis. Finally, some nouns are always plural in Spanish. Los lentes, las vacaciones. There will always be some exceptions to the rules, but to be honest, you're not very likely to encounter them. If you do, please share them with us so that more people can be aware of them. Write them down in the comments below. And let us know if you have any questions regarding the topic and what you'd like to learn next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Challenge them to learn with you. Don't forget that we have a gift for you. To help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here. Subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana. Vivir, sentir.